Okay, so let's just jump right into it, and let's factor a polynomial by grouping. So let's look at something like this bastard, 2x cubed, I don't know, plus 6x squared minus 8x minus 24. So we want to determine the zeros of this polynomial, and in order to do so, we immediately need to remove the coefficient if it's greater than 1, which in this case it is. So let's factor out 2, and that gives us a polynomial of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. So from here, we can now split apart our polynomial and factor and group accordingly. So the first half of this is x cubed plus 3x squared. Factoring out the common x squared leaves us with x plus 3. On this side, we have a common factor of negative 4. Bringing that out gives us negative 4 times x plus 3 also. This entire factored polynomial is still multiplied by 2. So, having a little bit of a closer look there, see that x cubed plus 3x squared equals x squared times x plus 3. If I was to FOIL out x squared times x, I would get x cubed, and x squared times 3, I would get 3x. The very same can be applied to negative 4x minus 12, which is equal to negative 4 times x plus 3. These are equal polynomials. So from here, we can group together our common factors, and that gives us x squared minus 4 times x plus 3, still multiplied by 2. We're not quite finished because there's one factor in here that's leaving me a little bit uneasy, and that's x squared minus 4. So that, if we take a closer look at, is actually one of the cooler polynomials because it's a binomial. And what this means is that if we were to factor it out, we would have x squared and two numbers that multiply to give us negative 4 and add to give us our middle term, because it's still a polynomial even though it's a binomial. What this actually is x squared plus 0 minus 4. So two numbers that give us negative 4 and 0, or multiply that to give us negative 4 and add to give us 0, is negative 2 and positive 2. So that means that we have 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. So the zeros of this polynomial are plus or minus 2 and negative 3. X either equals negative 2, positive 2, negative 3. Thanks for watching, and see you later.